Today is 12/16/24, and the point of this video is to complement this business that I've been dealing with. They're called Computer and More. They are located in Pleasanton, kind of like, say, 5-6 minutes away from the new Pleasanton Costco. And the reason that I'm complimenting them is I recently got some phones on Black Friday at the new Pleasanton Costco, but I had to trade some phones in. And in that process, we had a bad back glass on an iPhone. And after contacting multiple sources, this store was like the best deal. Came there, saw how fast they do things and how well they interacted with customers. And just standing there, I got to know them well, and they gave great customer service. I started asking them, hey, I was thinking of buying this phone. Do you know if it's a good deal, or is it blacklisted, or has it been called stolen? So I give them the IMEI number, and they check the number and say, yeah, that's an okay phone, or yeah, we can fix it for this price or that price. So I've been getting to know these people like from a kind of a first person point of view, like a friend to friend relationship. So I was out today and I bought a iPhone 14, and it turns out that talking to these people on Facebook, they were able to just tell me if this is a stolen phone or a blacklisted phone. And with that, I was able to buy this phone, and it came with a scratch on it. Like, you can barely see the scratch, but there it is. So they were able to give me a price immediately, how much it costs to fix, and what they think about the scratch. So if there's anyone out there that has a lot of phone questions on how to repair or not, or like repairs and costs, and check your IMEI number, these people are very helpful. So Computer and More, and you can also search them by the name of Tom Nguyen. So it turns out that this is a Vietnamese name, and I was expecting to find a Tom Nguyen, but a Tom Nguyen isn't there. So they must have at least got the name from the original owner, but you can see there's a phone number here at 925-425-7272. And that's that. Pretty much I am trying to promote this company because I've had a great interaction with them. So I hope they can help you so they can make some money, and it will be a win-win situation. All right, so this is Risker, and I approve this store. Thanks for listening to me.